Hello. Am I audible?
Yes.
Mhm. Voice is clear?
તમારો mic બંધ
Hello. નથી બંધ.
આવે.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. My best regards to everyone present. We are going to start with the valedictory session. It's my humble request to all the participants to switch your camera on, please. Today is the last day of our FDP, so please.
Madam ने की camera on નથી. We are not able to start our camera.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Just a minute.
ના સ્ટાર્ટ જ છે, ચાલુ જ છે. મેડમ ચાલુ છે, એકવાર ટ્રાય કરો ને, ચાલશે.
You cannot start your video.
Everyone can start, ma'am.
Wait a minute.
વી કાન્ટ સ્વિચ આવે છે. આપણે સિક્યુરિટી તો કોઈ છે નહીં. ના એ ટીક રાખવાનું તો જ ચાલુ થાય.
Hello. Kindly rejoin in the meeting so that it can be able to switch on the camera, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible? Okay. Before move towards the valedictory function, one instruction for all the participants. Today we are going to conduct an online MCQ exam during our valedictory session. Link for the exam will be shared in our WhatsApp group also, and it will be active up to 7 p.m. Please complete the exam within a time and submit your feedback to the Atal platform. I already sent one message which shows the steps of Atal feedback, how to fill Atal feedback. Okay, so go through it and complete the feedback form. As you know, the certificates will be issued to those participants who have attended the program with 80% attendance and scored with 60% marks, and fill the feedback to Atal portal. So don't forget to fill feedback on Atal web portal.
Thank you, sir. It is an honor for Tapi Diploma Engineering College, Surat. We host institute for this faculty development program. To host, this is 5 days faculty development program and make it a success. Now I would like to invite Mrs. Rupal Desai ma'am, who is a senior lecturer of our department, to share your views regarding our FDP.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good afternoon to one and all. First of all, thank you very much, ma'am, for giving me an opportunity to share my view in this FDP. Myself, Rupal Desai, senior lecturer in Tapi Diploma Engineering College. First, I want to give my special thanks to Atal. Atal is the Training and Learning Academy. It helps in imparting quality technical education in the country, which is helpful for faculty members to update their knowledge. Normally in FDP, the topics are very common, which covers only one or two thrust area. Here, I give my special thanks to conveyor and coordinator for selecting such a topic, which is really very informative in terms of the latest development, because you cover normally all the branch of civil engineering and its development. So as a participant, it is very much helpful for us. Let us discuss with our first session, which is the heart of FDP, having a title, an overview of emerging trends and future of civil engineering, which is given by Mr. Maulik P. Jariwala, head of our department. I said that this is the heart of FDP because in this session, all the new trends are covered, which is helpful for faculty in terms of selection of project. Because as a faculty members, it is very difficult for us to select such a new topic, because all the times GTU and our institute give us the suggestion that you have to select a project topic which is a new one. And as a faculty members, if they just don't know the latest topics. So I give my special thanks to Maulik sir for giving such a good topics in terms of selection of the project. I also learned the topics like geoinformatics, biomedical waste management, space technology, GIS and remote sensing, road safety, NDT in concrete, and today's the most interactive session. This is the re-strengthening of structure. These all topics are covered by our eminent speakers. So thank you very much to all the speakers for update our knowledge with latest technology. I enjoy this FDP very much. During this pandemic time, arranging such type of informative FDP is really very good for faculty members. So thank you very much for organizing. Thank you very much to all the organizing committee, conveyor, and our two coordinators. They really work hard for this FDP. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for your valuable feedback.
Thank you, ma'am. The session will be incomplete if we will not interact with our dear participants. They are the core of successful FDP. So it is the time for feedback from our participants who are very enthusiastic, regular, and disciplined. So we are eager to listen feedback from them. So for that, first of all, I would like to invite Ramya Ravi madam for their valuable feedback.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Good afternoon, one and all present here. Myself are Ramya. I'm from South India, Tamil Nadu, and I'm from Mount Zion College of Engineering and Technology and working as assistant professor. I would like to say thanks to organizing this FDP, first of all, for 5 days, because like Rupal Desai ma'am said, common topic only going in the Atal session. Here I enjoyed a lot and I learned a new trends in civil engineering throughout the 14th session. And even though we are having a network issues, they commonly patiently wait for us and lectured all things. I enjoyed a lot and learned a lot throughout these 5 days. For especially today, both of the sessions are very practical and informative session. So I would like to thank all coordinators involved in this. And I would like to thank all Atal behind the participants. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable response. Now I would like to invite Mr. Bhavesh Kataria, sir, for their valuable feedback. Hello. Bhavesh Kataria, sir, please. Okay.
Myself, Bhavesh Kataria. I am from BUPIT Diploma Studies, Umrah, Gujarat. First of all, many congratulations to team of Tapi College for organizing this wonderful informative FDP. All the experts have shared and explained their views and information in depth, which help to understand the topic. I would like to thank all the experts and also coordinators of Tapi College, especially Pragnam and Ravi sir, for their efforts to organize this FDP. I hope you will continue to organize such informative FDP in future too. Thank you very much for your cooperation.
Thank you so much, sir, for your positive response. Now I would like to invite Professor Abdul Rafi, sir, for their short for that short feedback. Professor Abdul Rafi, sir, please turn on your mic.
Thank you very much, sir. So, thank you for the entire team members who are organized this program very well. So, actually, I enjoyed very well and also interacted with all faculty members. I felt very happy, even though we know the subject, but still everything is new for whenever we are attending such a program. Everything is new for us, and we have very good blend of the various faculty members, where eminent speakers we have organized. So I enriched my knowledge, I updated my knowledge. I have a small request is, since I am a geotechnical faculty member from Hyderabad, I could not see any of the geotechnical speaker. That's only I felt a little bit disappointed. Otherwise, I was very much happy with all speakers. And also the coordinators, they organized the program very well. So we don't have any major problems. Everything is successful. And we could not see actually the participants. Usually we used to take a group photos in the program possible now. So all the participants, thank you very much. And also once again, thank you for the Tapi Diploma Engineering College and the team of members. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable and beautiful feedback. We will try to implement your suggestion in next our FDP.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now I would like to invite from our participants those who have willingly want to give their feedback. So please raise your hand for unmuting. Those who want to give feedback, please raise your hand. We will unmute them and then you will give your feedback. Please raise your hand if you want to share your views regarding this FDP.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Audible.
So, good afternoon, everyone, for the participants and the coordinators also. For these 5 days, we have learned a lot in the recent trends in civil engineering. Not even a single topic, you have actually covered many topics. I was interested especially in remote sensing and GIS, which was useful for my subject. So thanks for organizing this wonderful FDP, sir. And I have like to thank AACT and Atal also. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Hmm.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Soumya, ma'am.
Hello, hello.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. I am really thankful to the organizers who have just given us such a nice FDP and trends development in the field of civil engineering. Almost as sir said before, also one of our participants that the FDP has covered almost all the topics. And I was also basically interested in mostly in the GIS part, but now I could feel that we came to know and we are really means very much comfortable with all the topics those were covered in the FDP. So I really thankful to all the organizers and Atal AICT also for this nice program. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now if anyone wants to give their feedback. Okay. Thank you very much all. I would like to thank you once again for your valuable feedback that will definitely help us in our future. Thank you once again for your active participation. Without your help and support, it was not possible for us to conduct such successful FDP. Now moving forward to our last but not the least vote of thanks page. For that, I humbly request to our head of department and also the convener of our FDP, Professor Maulik Jariwala sir, to give vote of thanks. Please, sir.
Thank you very much, madam, for inviting me to give the vote of the thanks to all the FDP participants and all the team members. But before starting my speech of today, I would like to clear one thing that today our patron and chief patron, both the members are busy in conducting the interviews for the college. So actually they are not available to give their speech, the vote of thanks to all. So let us start with the God Almighty, that God has given us a large opportunity to club together on a online platform, because as I am seeing that you all are from Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and also from South. Majority are from South, majority are from North India and the middle of the India. So if this FDP may be conducted offline, so that it will not possible to see your faces on the screen. So really it's a very good opportunity to all of us that we are here on the same screen from all the corner of the India. So thank you God for that marvelous opportunity. Very much thankful to our patron, that is Principal Dr. Y.S. Chopare sir. Very good and energetic person who is always ready to say yes all the things which actually we are discussing with him, and whatever demanding, easily he is saying that yes, you can go ahead. So very much thankful to Dr. Y.S. Chopare sir, all my staff members of the civil department for their constant support. Special thanks to the Rupal Desai madam, Khushbu Shah madam, Nirant Patel sir, and Mohit Haveliwala sir, because they are actually very active during all the 5 days session. So thank you, and also all head of the departments for their constant support in conduction of the faculty development program. All the participants really, you all are, means some are I found inactive during some sessions, but all the participants, near about 58 to 60 participants, are continuously there on all 5 days. So I am also very thankful to all the participants. Only one complaint is there to all the participants. Then I found this FDP little less interactive. So please please take take in your consideration that be interactive in all such kind of faculty development program, so that the committee come to know that what are the problems or issues you are facing during the expert session and all. Then I am also very thankful to all the experts. We are having different 13 eminent speakers. 8 speakers of that 13 are from the SVNIT. So very thankful to them. One special thank to engineer E.H. Pathan sir from Surat Municipal Corporation. So because sir is having more than 35 years of experience, and sir has given really very good presentation to us. So thank you, Pathan sir. And today's session of Nilesh sir and Kamlesh sir, really very energetic and very to the point session they have conducted. So would like to thank both the external speakers also. Last but want to thank to the Atal, because Atal is the platform on which we are conducting such kind of faculty development programs online. So the director of the Atal, that is Soni sir, and the assistant director Garg sir. So I am very much thankful to both the director and assistant director of the Atal Academy. And last, very much thankful to the chairman Sahastra Buddhi sir, because under the AICTE portal, sir has started, or sir has initiated the Atal and gave us the very good opportunity to enhance our knowledge. So very much thankful to chairman sir. Lastly, I am also very thankful to my family, because as you all don't know about that, Pragna Jariwala madam is also my wife. So very much thankful to you, madam. Both the coordinators, actually, they are very, very energetic and very hardworking coordinators of the department. So very much thankful to both the coordinators and my family. So thank you all for all the 5 days remain present and have the active learning through the portal of the Atal Academy. So thank you, madam. It is up to you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for this gratitude note. And I would really like to thank you as being a coordinator of this FDP. Your support was really helpful to make the success of this FDP. Thank you so much once again, sir. Now, we would like to end up this FDP. So learning and upskilling is a continuous inviting process, and sharing and imparting knowledge lead us towards some limiting. So dear participants, just we have shared, Ravi sir has shared the exam link, MCQ exam link in a chat box. So give exam without fail. We will share it in our WhatsApp group too. And please fill feedback form on your Atal web portal without fail. Dear participants, please fill feedback on your Atal web portal. We are not going to share any feedback link here. Only single feedback that you have to fill it. Without a feedback and attendance, you will not get certificate from Atal. So we are saying again and again. Now, if you have any queries, please ask in our WhatsApp group. So we have, yes, we are going to share in our WhatsApp group too. So please give exam, and this link will be open till 7 p.m. today. Till 7 p.m. today.
Madam?
Yes, sir.
What is the timing limit when we have to submit the feedback through Atal?
Sir, today this link will be open till 7 p.m.
Fine, madam. Thank you. Not exam. I am not asking about exam. Feedback in
Then,
Atal.
Feedback, sir, you have to fill feedback within 2 or 3 days maximum.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, madam.
Okay. So goodbye, everyone. Take care. Thank you all once again. Goodbye to all. If you have any queries, then we will talk in our WhatsApp group.
Excuse me, madam.
Yes.
Am I audible?
Who is there?
Shruti, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, ma'am, in the feedback Atal portal, the
Ma'am,
feedback.
Ma'am,
Madam,
you?
am I audible?
Yes. Ma'am, please speak loudly. Hello. Hello, ma'am. Shruti, ma'am. Okay, so I think so. Thank you, all of you. Thank you once again, all of you. Take care, all of you. Goodbye, everyone. I am going to end this meeting now.